This file extension has two primary types. Is this a home center layout or a sewing file? If it's a Brother palette file, it stores color data for embroidery. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party PHC file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A PHC file is associated with Home Center and Embroidery software, primarily used for storing embroidery designs. It contains detailed instructions for embroidery machines, specifying stitch types, colors, and patterns. These files enable users to create intricate and personalized embroidery projects on various fabrics and materials. PHC files are binary files containing encoded data that represents the embroidery design. The file format includes information about stitch coordinates, thread colors, and machine commands. Specialized embroidery software is required to open, edit, and convert PHC files into formats compatible with different embroidery machines. The format is proprietary. For the PHC file type, Home Center and Embroidery from Brother Industries is a trusted and reliable source. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. To guarantee file access, right-click your PHC file and select Open With. If Home Center and Embroidery is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your PHC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the PHC file begins. First, use Home Center and Embroidery. Open the file using the Home Center software to view and edit the embroidery stitch patterns and colors. Next, load into Embroidery Machine. Transfer the PHC file to a compatible embroidery machine via USB to begin the physical stitching process. Finally, Use Embroidery Converter. Use a specialized embroidery file converter to change the PHC file into other machine-readable formats like .pes or DST. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.